Hi friends! It's Mitch, broker, appraiser, ug imong suki diri sa CDO. Welcome to Real Estate Real Talk. Di na siya boring-boring. Real talk lang kita diri. So unsa man ni? Nganong daghan kaayo ang ka-invest sa Cagayan karon? Simple ra. Cagayan de Oro is on fire. GDP is rising, investments are flowing in, and property prices still affordable for now. So major developments are coming in, new townships are popping up and businesses are booming. There's Mega World, there's Alveo, there's another Pueblo. Grabe ang momentum. Kung taga CDO ka or even gikan ka sa gawas, this is a time to look back and invest sa imong hometown. So because what happens when the city booms, ang property values follow. Mas dako ang values imong yuta, mas paspas imong return, dili ni siya hype, data ni siya guys. So that's your 2-minute update from Real Estate Real Talk. Like, follow, and share this video sa imong amigo nga sige pangutana unsay maayo nga paliton ang tubag karon naa sa CDO.